How much YouTube pays for 1000 views? Well, this is one of the most confusing, one of the most widely asked question on the YouTube platform, as we all know. And those who are new to the YouTube platform, or those who have been for a couple of months on the YouTube platform and having their own channel, they always ponder or wonder about this particular question, like how much do YouTube pays for the 1000 views that they get from their videos. Well, to understand this, guys, we will be considering three questions, and in fact three things that we'll be considering in this video. And before going ahead, I would request you to please consider subscribing this channel, because I post these kind of videos related to YouTube, social media marketing and online earning. And if you are related to these kind of topics, then you would be getting a lot of valuable content from this channel. So guys, as I said, this is a question that most of the YouTubers ask, or those who want to get into the YouTube platform, they also think about this question, or they try to find out the answer. So to know about this particular answer for this question, we will consider three things. That is, what type of views makes money, how much YouTube pays, and how do we make most of money on the 1000 views that we get in our channel. To know about it, there are two types of views that you can have from your channel. That is, the first one is the video view, when someone watches your video but doesn't watch the ad in front or during or after the video. Because what happens is that whenever the video plays, there are ads comes in between, and most of us tend to skip that ad. So when we skip that ad, or your viewer or your subscriber skip that ad, that means your payment, or you are not going to get any kind of payment from YouTube, because YouTube makes money from those ads only when you watch it. So if you are not watching the ad, and you're just skipping the ad, irrespective of how many views you are getting on that video, YouTube is not going to pay you anything. So you have to make sure, or you have to make sure that how your viewer can watch those ads. So I'll be talking about that also in the coming slides. And the second view is like ad view. So this is something when someone watch the ad video that plays before or during or after the video. So when someone watches your video and in between any ads comes in, then when someone clicks on that ad and watches that video for certain point of time, for certain point of seconds, or like for 30% or 20% or 100%, that is known as ad view. And YouTube pays for these ad views, because YouTube generate or makes money from these ad views. So whenever they makes money, they will pay you a certain amount of share from that income that they get from those ads. So how much YouTube actually pays for 1000 views? Well, there are a lot of things, or a lot of questions that people ask about it, and a lot of confusion are there. So to know about it, let us consider an article from a website called influencingmarketinghub.com. And what they say is that, let me show you that. And this is that Google pays out 68% of their AdSense revenue. So for every $100 an advertiser pays, Google pays $68 to the publisher. So the actual rate an advertiser pay varies, usually between 10 cents to 30 cents per view, but averages out at 18 cents per view. So on an average, the YouTube channel can receive $18 per 1000 ad view. This equates to $3 to $5 per 1000 video view. So this sounds very good, and this is a very healthy average. $18 per 1000 view, this looks very attractive. And you may think, like, if I'm getting $18 per 1000 views, I should start my channel immediately, or if my channel is eligible for monetization, I should go and like monetize it immediately. Well, that's a good idea, but this $18 or this $3 to $5 range of 1000 video views that the average it's been taken on a very large scale. like starting from the number one channel to the channel which has been created just few seconds back. So there are thousand millions of channel on the YouTube platform, and lot of factor comes into consideration when these averages are decided. So, and also, like where, in which country the ad being is being shown, that also plays a very big factor when these averages are being considered. So if you are thinking that I'll get $18 or $3 to $5 per thousand view, then you may not be correct, because this always changes depending upon what type of views you are getting, and what type of ad is being served on your videos, and how much your viewer are watching those ads, how much clicks are coming to those ads which are being displayed on your videos. So those things comes into consideration, so you have to think about that also. So let me get back to the slide once again. So as I said, like there are, what are the factors, that the total amount of ad, like how many ad are being served in your video. So the more number of ad, the chances of your viewer watching those ads also increases. And it's not that they just click on that ad and they skip, and they like skip those ad for after a couple of seconds, because there are minimal time that an ad has to be viewed by the viewer, then only YouTube pays you. So if they just click that ad and they don't watch that ad for a minimum period of time and they skip it, then also YouTube may not pay you. And the duration of the ad view, so the longer the duration of the ad, the better it is for you. So suppose, say, like out of 1,000 ad view that you have got, like how much percentage of people have viewed that ad for 100%, how many people have seen that ad for 40% or 50%. So those factors also comes into place, so that these factors determine how much you are going to get paid by YouTube. So the third question that comes is that how you can make most money from your ad views. So only when viewer watches the video for longer time of longer duration, then YouTube pays you a good amount. And when there are more click on your ad, on the ad that comes in your video, this also a very positive factor in determining a good revenue for your channel. And also when the viewer go and like click on those ad, watches those ad till the end, and on the other end they go and like buy that product, when that also happens, YouTube pay you a good amount of money. So these are the three factors, or these are the three things wherein you can make most of the money from your YouTube channel. But how you can make these things possible in your videos? So for that, you have to make sure that like the videos that you are making for your viewer are very, very specific, because whenever they are very specific to your viewer, to your subscriber, then only they will come and watch it. So you have to understand your customer avatar, you have to understand what your customer needs, what your customer is looking for. So when you understand those factors, those things, then you will start making those videos for your viewer. So when you start making those videos which are very much specific to your audience, then YouTube algorithm will also understand like what type of ads can be served for these audiences. When they understand those audience, when YouTube algorithm understand your audience, then they will serve those very specific ads to them, and chances of your audience clicking on that ad, watching those ads for a longer time of for longer duration, and ultimately buying those products increases significantly. So that contributes to you for a higher revenue or a higher payment from YouTube as well. So you have to be very, very specific with the videos that you are making for your audience. Then only YouTube will understand your audience, and they will also start serving those specific ads for your audience. In this case, what happens is that both YouTube and you will be on a winning side, and both of you will be making good amount of money. So I hope whatever I tried to explain you in this video was helpful for you guys. And if you feel that this video was helpful, then please go and share this video and like this video, and that will motivate for me to create this kind of videos in the future as well. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Have a great day.